Welcome to Master Trader's Weekly Trade Review. I'm Dan Gibby, and in this review I'm going to show you the proper way to trade bottoming patterns and what we look for, particularly with some type of shock or candlestick arrangement to tell us that we have the more confidence that it's in fact bottoming and not a consolidation and a downtrend. This is our technical approach to trading anything that moves. We're price-based traders. I need a compelling setup before I go any further. No setup, no action. Then I take that picture of a compelling pattern and we overlay our other concepts that make up our approach, which include, all right, where is that? What type of trend is it in? Is it on support or resistance? What are multiple time frames? Are they supporting that bias on the time frame that you're trading? Any secondary volume analysis support the trade? What are the broader markets doing? Is it showing relative strength or weakness to the sector? And then you simply manage and enter in between. So just a couple points here, considerations in trading bottoming patterns. So we're trying to pick the bottom, if you will. So they're in a downtrend. They have poor odds of holding unless they are because they're consolidations in a bearish trend. But signs, events, signs, I call it a something bar, that it's ready to bottom. I want the flattening 20 and 50 period moving average. I want it going, and that means that 20 and 50 days of data are now flat. So by definition, that's telling me that the lower highs and lower lows has ended. So the demand is picking up. I'm looking for something extra. I want a shakeout. I want a gap up. I want a wide range bar. I want a breakdown failure. I want something. As with all of our trades, we need a price void, which means look to the left and there's insignificant resistance on that time frame being traded and one higher for the issue to move higher. And as all charts that we look at, I'm applying all of these concepts all the time. This is our daily chart of VFC is the example I'm going to show you. But look how simple our charts are. The blue is the 20, the green is the 50, and the red is the 200, which you can't see because it's so far away that the data here can't even show it. So we're in a nasty downtrend. I have lower lows, lower highs, I have shallow bounces, I have green bars ignored. Note right here, this was a breakout failure. But this is a good example of, I don't have my something shock bar, and it's just a tiny little bounce to the declining 20. Remember I said I would prefer flat 20 and 50? So let's keep going. So it made a new low. It made a new low and didn't go very far. That's what we call a bullish new low divergence. So it's getting its sea legs back. Okay, another new low didn't go anywhere. That's causing this 20 MA to flatten out here. Red closing breakdown bar. That 100% suggests lower prices under the low of this because it's a bearish consolidation. Yes, there's signs of it stabilizing like I just said, but until proven otherwise, it's a stabilization consolidation in a bearish downtrend. Here I could have said, haha, the bears. I'm shorting you under the following day under this low. The next day it gaps up to the high of that red bar, range expansion, closing breakout. You can count how many bars that is. Closing breakout, and I have my big price void. Look to the left. There's insignificant resistance because of this momentum move down. So we bought over the high, stop under the low, manage in between. This is a closed trade for our subscribers in the members area. And as with every trade we give the technical setup, what we did, stock or option trade, and stop loss and management in between. So we bought the stock here, wide range breakout. We sold a third in one day. This day we sold, look, we made $1.20 just in a couple hours. We took it. We sold another third here at the 50 MA, the green line. And then we went into trail mode. Very simple. We held this 6 days, made 16% return on capital. Our spreadsheet calculates position size based on a $300 max loss. So risking 300, We made our 3-to-1 profit to loss. Beautiful simple trade. But this is key. This breakdown failure, 180 reversal, closing breakout with a price void. Hope that helped. Check out our year-end specials. We only do this one time a year. mastertrader.com/holidays. We have very significant, generous discounts on our online seminars, our 3 advisory letters, and of course our live green trading room. As always, email my partner Greg Capper or me with any questions. Good trading, and look forward to seeing you in the next trade review video.